Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. The Lego Friends Aliya's bedroom set. Love this. 209 pieces, $33 at the Lego store, but you can find it now for $20 to $22 quite easily. I love that you get a little trundle bed. There's lots of elves references in this. And the little puppy dog there wants to be a princess. I love these new bedroom sets and I can't wait to get the rest of them if they make more. I'm sure they will. There's the map and Aliya's dog's name's Era. Another elves reference. We get a sticker sheet here. Love the look of these. And she's got lots of books here because she likes to read. And more elves there. 2 bags. And we get this sand blue base plate. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alrighty, let's build. Loving that we are finally getting some pajamas, and Aliya's got lots of horseshoe prints on her top part. We've seen those pants before, but it actually looks really nice as a pajama set. I'm loving her hairdo. She is reading this romantic story, and she's going to sit over here and read. No. Okay, she's going to lay down and turn her back on us while we introduce little Era, her puppy dog, who wants to be a little princess. Love her. She's so cute. She's going to give her company. And Paisley's here. I am loving those pants with the little frill on the bottom, the love hearts on the top. I love that she's barefoot. It is so cute. They need to bring out more pajamas. She's on the laptop and it looks like she's looking at horsey things. We're going to give her this to hold. Okay, keep Aliya company there on the ground. Aliya is very lucky to have a projector screen in her room, and they will be watching a movie about elves. I hope Lego brings out elves sets again. I can't wait for that if they do. I am really loving that we are getting different base plates for these bedrooms, so different looking carpet. This is her little trundle bed, and I love the bed sheets on this. It's so cute. She's got horsey prints on hers, well, horseshoes, and that one's like tartan underneath. I love that it slides out. Now we've got to pop that little wheel bit at the back to stop the bed falling out. There's her little bookshelf with lots of books. I really like all the curved bricks they've popped in, just adds character to the room. We've got a little lamp there because her desk is going here. And her paper, she got an F for something and an A for chemistry, it looks like. Love this sticker, and this is going next to her desk. She's got lots of knickknacks there, and that's like a book. And I love the bookbinder sticker on that. She has a little flower. Oh my goodness, loving this. And her little pillows there, gorgeous. And she's got lots of plants in the room. And that looks like a trophy, number 1. Maybe she came first in a horse race. Love this little cloud coffee table, and looks like it's floating. She's got a cup of tea there. That's the room done. Let's pop everyone in. Aliya's still reading her romantic novel and Paisley's on the laptop. The girls are now watching a movie and throwing popcorn around. Aliya is showing Paisley that she got an F, and Paisley is saying it's okay. After a night of fun, they have gone to bed now. The Lego Friends Aliya's room set. I am loving these bedroom sets. I love how they're built. Every one of them's unique. They've all got their own personality, different colours. I love this trundle bed, love the desk, love the projector screen. Love that we get pajamas again, because I only had one set from an old calendar. Anyway, get these, you won't be disappointed. So everyone, get your bricks out.